What would you do if the brakes suddenly stopped working during your drive? Some people think the right thing to do is to pull the handbrake immediately. Wrong. You should never do this, as it will cause a serious rollover right away. Other people say to use the roadside barriers and try to stop the car. Wrong again. And finally, some people choose the worst way possible, which is to open the car door and jump out of the vehicle. This is even more undesirable and only works in movies, because if you do this, even if you're driving at a low speed like 20 miles per hour, for example, you wouldn't stand a chance. At this speed, the impact is much stronger than you imagine, and you won't survive. So never do this. In this video, we're going to learn together the correct way to deal with brake failure. So pay close attention and learn what to do in extreme situations if your brakes suddenly stop working. The first step is to turn on the hazard lights immediately. This will be crucial to alert all other drivers and let them know you are having a problem and need space. By activating the car's hazard lights, you are signaling that there is an emergency. This helps to avoid accidents, and the drivers around you will be more aware of your situation. Second step. With one hand, hold the steering wheel firmly. Always maintaining solid control of the car is essential to ensure your safety and the safety of other drivers on the road. Now, with the other hand, press the handbrake button and pull it firmly up and down. This movement should be done decisively and controlled. This braking process can stop the vehicle safely, even if the foot brake isn't working. This action of pressing the handbrake button and pulling it up and down allows you to reduce the car's speed gradually. This process prevents abrupt locking of the rear wheels, reducing the risk of dangerous skidding, thus helping to maintain control of the vehicle. If you think you've learned everything, you're mistaken. After a while, driving a vehicle can seem simple, but it's precisely in critical situations like this that a driver's true skill and preparation are revealed. The ability to react in emergencies, such as brakes failure for instance, is what will distinguish a well-trained driver from an unprepared one. If you've watched this far, it's a sign that you liked the tip. So let us know in the comments what you would do in a desperate situation like this. Would you use the right technique or jump out of the car? Of course not. So thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.